Hello, I'm Madeline,
And I'm Trinity.
and we're doing our project on fundamental attribution error.
What is the attribution error?
Also known as correspondence bias or over-attribution effect, attribution error is a tendency to overemphasize personality-based explanations for others' behavior, while underemphasizing situational explanations.
So, how we judge the behavior of others, we consider usually their character, and in other cases, their situation.
For example, an attribution would be Tim is upset. The situational would be he's under pressure. And the dispositional would be he's just rude. Which leads to fundamental attribution error. Individuals tend to overemphasize situational explanations in reference to themselves, but do the opposite in reference to others. This is called the actor-observer bias.
Oftentimes, behaviors are complex and involve a combination of internal and external factors, such as weather, housing, and finances.
Even though this seems pretty universal, we have to consider the difference between an individualistic and a collectivist society, which means that weird samples find it difficult to understand the motives of other people and fail to recognize a combination of factors that determine behavior.
It tends to occur within more individualistic societies such as North America and Europe, which place emphasis on individual achievement and independence. The opposite is a collectivist society, such as Africa and Asia, which put a value on community and interdependence. So again, individualism puts a value on independence, autonomy, and self-reliance.
And a collectivist society is defined by community, interdependence, and obedience. In a study conducted with participants of Chinese heritage, the researchers reported that they considered situational factors over dispositional factors, which was due to collectivist ideologies.
This confirms that weird studies are not always representative of the entire population.
In comparing the fundamental attribution error in weird individualistic countries and collectivist countries, there are many important differences to consider.
The biggest reason that the fundamental attribution error cannot be universally established is because of the difference in cultural beliefs. Individualism and collectivism determine societal norms and roles.
We know that the attribution error tends to occur within individualistic societies. When gauging success and failure, individualistic societies will attribute success to internal factors and will attribute failure to environmental factors.
This is what we know as the self-serving bias and is a way we protect and enhance our self-esteem.
It is also important to recognize the implications of these findings. Now that we know how different we are globally, consider how many other studies Western nations deem universal.
Investigating different concepts and how they interact with different countries creates a global awareness of different responses to the fundamental attribution error, but also countless other studies.
Thanks for watching!